I think I'm gonna gift this purse.
Aww.
Oh, look at this knuckle job.
When I first look at this, this looks like fun, right?
What are these called?
Brass knuckles.
Thank you.
Knuckles.
Knuckles.
Really practical, I would think.
All of my girlfriends have this.
So it's a brass knuckle purse, but okay. So I would think this would be okay to take to the checkpoint.
Probably, right?
What do you think?
This device actually can break a person's nose. They
And
can
then punch someone.
like that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So anything that appears as a weapon.
Will be taken away.
We're taking away.
Check it.
I concur. Check it if you want to keep it.